Hello, it's me, Teacher Dale. How are you? I'm so happy to see you in class today. I have an amazing lesson, and today it's for both students and teachers. It's one I've been wanting to do for quite some time, and today I had an opportunity, so why not? And it's going to be about opening doors. And how many of you find a door and then you open it and it opens a door to another door that leads to another door, and you just have so many amazing experiences with it. You've set goals, you have found a purpose, and that's what I'm going to talk about today. You're going to find that this is not one of my normal lessons. I'm hoping that there's something in it for everyone. If you're a friend, you're a member of the community, you're involved in nonprofit work, you're in corporate, regardless, students, teachers especially, I hope that you gain something from this lesson. Anyway, I'd like to start with a door I opened back in 2018. I had decided to finally complete my TEFL certification, but I had to decide how to complete it. And at that time, I chose a hybrid system. I took classes online, and in I believe May 2018, I went to San Francisco and I completed the required 20-hour practicum that is part of the program. So, anyway, I was in San Francisco and I was speaking to a man who was from Cambodia. He owned the restaurant where I ate my dinner occasionally while I was there. A couple of times, I think. I wasn't there that long, but I think I ate two dinners at his restaurant. Let's be fair and be honest. Anyway, I was talking to him about what I was doing in San Francisco, that I was attending this practicum to get TEFL certified. And I kind of was questioning him a little bit about opportunities to teach English in Asia. And he came right to the point. He says, that's good. You got your education, you're getting your certification, but what you don't have is experience. And I went, what? He says, they're not going to let you teach in Asia unless you have experience. I went, really? Okay, I'm glad you told me. So when I finished my practicum and I went back to Colorado, I started looking up volunteer opportunities in Denver and found one where I could volunteer as an English teacher and help. It helped me complete my TEFL, and this particular school has helped other teachers complete their um, TEFL certifications. And I was able to do volunteer work and have actual classroom hours in actual classroom at an actual school and with actual students. And I learned a lot. So by October of 2018, I completed my TEFL certification. I could tell people, yes. And I think I stumbled during my podcast interview. I was level 5 TQUK TEFL certified. I think I had like 168 hours, and it was a level 5 course. It was not easy. It was harder than I thought it would be, but I got through it. And I was so happy I had accomplished the goal. And that's part of what we're going to talk about. But we're also talking about how when you open a door, it leads to another door, and it can lead to another door. Well, I started my TEFL. I went to San Francisco. I had a conversation that showed me the need to seek out this other door, I went through that door. It helped me get my TEFL certification, and that led to the next door. I was asked one day if I would be interested in going to China to teach at a university. Well, of course I was. I'm very happy to do that. So the summer of 2019, I went to China to teach at a university. And it was the most amazing experience I've ever had. I was so happy. I was so excited. And it was an amazing experience. And as a teacher, it was wonderful. So what happened while I'm in China? Well, another door opens. I got asked, uh, how did that? Okay. Someone came to me and said, the dean would like to speak to you. I went, really? Okay. So I went to meet with the dean, and the dean asked me some questions. And the dean and I kind of agreed at the time I wasn't ready to accept a 1 year assignment to stay there and teach. I mean, I was amazed to even be asked. I mean, that was unbelievable. But it led to another door. I did get offered and I did accept when I returned to America to teach online for one of the largest online English schools there is in the whole world. And I I still have a contract with them, and I teach for them occasionally as I'm able, if I have time. And that led to being able to do private lessons. It led to other opportunities. And ultimately, one led to another, led to another. And right now, I'm talking to you using Zoom, which was another open door, and all the possibilities that were included involving Zoom and being able to teach private students and being able to be a teacher entrepreneur and actually accomplish some of the things that I had taken a teacher challenge. See, that was another thing. In 2021, I accepted a teacher challenge. I participated in a 21-day challenge and have become a member of the inner circle, and just one thing's led to another. And it was so amazing what has happened over time that right now I am on my YouTube channel, and you will see this video that I've done, this video lesson, and you'll see it on my YouTube channel. I will also post it on LinkedIn and possibly even get it over to Facebook. We'll see. But I'm just enjoying. I mean, it's a lot to do with purpose. For me personally, it's about purpose. I know what my why is. You need to know your why, but you also have to have a purpose. You accomplish your goals by having a purpose. And that's what I'm doing right now. I have a purpose. And for me, my purpose this year is to offer 1 million students worldwide a chance to virtually attend my YouTube class as a student and be able to learn English. There's more fees than just the cost. There's other fees getting back and forth. A lot of my students work. They have 1, even 2 jobs. So their time is limited. Time is a cost. Money is a cost. If they have to hire a babysitter, that's a cost. They have to travel back and forth to school. These are costs. So what I'm trying to do is make this as easy as possible, keep it simple. And right now I'm going to keep this simple by ending it. I'm going to say goodbye. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to listen to my message about doors and my lesson about doors. Goodbye.